Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video we're going to be trading the news on Apple. Apple actually has an event coming up tomorrow, so we're going to be hopping in Webull. I'm going to be showing you the Apple trades I'm in right now, and I'm going to show you what they look like when I decide to exit them. But before we get into the video, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, please be sure to smash the like button because I work hard on these videos and it's the only thing I really ask for in return. Smash the like button. And if you haven't already taken advantage of the opportunity, Webull has brought back its 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you sign up for Webull using the referral link down below in the description and make a minimum deposit of $100. This promotion is only going on until the end of October, so if you're interested, be sure to check out the referral link down below in the description. This promotion is only running until October 31st. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. Do with it as you will, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so here we are in the Webull app. As you can see, it is a very small account, but nonetheless, I definitely prefer this platform to Robinhood. The only reason I'm not doing the challenge on this one is because they don't yet allow you to sell options. So that's why we're not selling premium in this account. But never mind that, let's go to Apple and take a look at what we were actually here to see. Okay, so here are all my holdings in this account. As you can see, I have 2 Apple calls expiring this Friday. One for a $125 strike that I got for 53 cents per share, and then another one for $130 that I got for 28 cents per share. As you can see, I'm up pretty okay on these. Nothing too crazy at the prices I bought them at, but we're up. It's a good day. So kind of what I'm doing with this is I'm playing the news. Apple has some really big announcements they're doing tomorrow. So this is what the market calls buying the rumors and selling the news. So essentially what you do when you buy the rumor and sell the news is whenever you buy the rumor, this could be anything like good earnings, any crazy anticipated products, or anything that's going to boost the company's revenue or anything like that. This is positive news, so this is a reason to get calls, and usually the stock will run up going until the actual announcement of that news. So that's kind of my plan here. Just want to show you these contracts early in the morning before I sell them later this evening. But yeah, this is how we're doing on them. So yeah, right now I'm up right now I'm up almost 100% on the 125, and I'm up almost 40% on the 130. So yeah, that's going to do it for right now. I will check back with you and show you what I sold them for later in the day. Alright, so I'm back again. It's after hours and I sold out of one of those Apple plays. Okay, so let's hop into Webull and take a look at where I sold them out at. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Webull, and as you can see, I sold out of the 125 call and I'm still holding on to the 130 call. And the reason that I'm still holding on to the 130 call, honestly, I just wanted to take a chance. I took profits that more than doubles the price I paid for each of them when I sold the 125 call. So I figured, why not let this one ride, see if we can get in the money with this one. So yeah, actually looking on the day, you can see that before the day, the value of the account was $119.12. Now at the end of the day, the value of the account is $390.80. So today we more than tripled the value of our account, and that was all because we bought the rumor and I'm selling going into the news. Just to get a better look at this, I actually took a screenshot of the value just before I sold it. Okay, so here's that screenshot, and as you can see, the 125 Apple call, I took $165 profit on it. I paid $53 for it, and that $53 increased by over 300%, and I took $165 profit on that trade alone. So really what I'm trying to get through to you in this video, along with the combination of last week's video, is the fact that rumors are very powerful. A lot of people will buy in on rumors and then they will sell when they get the real news. If you can be patient enough, trading just once or twice a week can be more than enough to grow your account to where it needs to be. But yeah, if you actually pay attention to the 130 call, when I sold the 125 call, it was actually chilling at $56 profit, and if we go take a look at it now, it's worth even more and it's $92 profit. So if this thing ends up working out in my favor, it's going to be pretty nice. But yeah, just kind of wanted to highlight that trade and show you that there is easy money waiting for you out there in the market. You really just have to be patient. Honestly, I can't tell you how many times in the past that I have felt like I needed to trade every day to make profits. And because I'm getting in trades that have no catalyst, I just end up losing money. And by the time that one of these trades that you know are going to make you money come, I didn't have money for it. So really what I'm trying to get across is it doesn't take a lot to make a lot trading options. And then when you trade too much, when you're buying options, most of those times the contracts that you're buying have a low probability of finishing in the money. So the more that you trade, the more you will see that probability being fulfilled and the more losses you will take. So yeah, just wait for a catalyst and you'll be golden. But anyways, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment down below. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, please be sure to smash the like button. And if for some reason you made it this far and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last, but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.